Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to English You and Me. Today, we will explore some exciting professions. You will learn about different jobs and what people do in their work. Let's get started and discover the amazing world of professions. Doctor, she is a doctor. She is a doctor. Teacher, she is a teacher. She is a teacher. Engineer, she is an engineer. She is an engineer. Lawyer, she is a lawyer. She is a lawyer. Firefighter, she is a firefighter. She is a firefighter. Nurse, she is a nurse. She is a nurse. Police officer, she is a police officer. She is a police officer. Artist, she is an artist. She is an artist. Chef, she is a chef. She is a chef. Pilot, she is a pilot. She is a pilot. Dentist, she is a dentist. She is a dentist. Farmer, she is a farmer. She is a farmer. Musician, she is a musician. She is a musician. Scientist, she is a scientist. She is a scientist. Mechanic, she is a mechanic. She is a mechanic. Carpenter, she is a carpenter. She is a carpenter. Laborer, she is a laborer. She is a laborer. Army officer, she is an army officer. She is an army officer. Butcher, she is a butcher. She is a butcher. Naval officer, she is a naval officer. She is a naval officer. Electrician, she is an electrician. She is an electrician. Dentist, she is a dentist. She is a dentist. Librarian, she is a librarian. She is a librarian. Secretary, she is a secretary. She is a secretary. Bus driver, she is a bus driver. She is a bus driver. Janitor, she is a janitor. She is a janitor. Launderer, she is a launderer. She is a launderer. Waitress, she is a waitress. She is a waitress. Mechanic, she is a mechanic. She is a mechanic. Auto mechanic, she is an auto mechanic. She is an auto mechanic. Pianist, she is a pianist. She is a pianist. Housekeeper, she is a housekeeper. She is a housekeeper. Patient, she is a patient. She is a patient. Judge, she is a judge. She is a judge. Barista, she is a barista. She is a barista. Surveyor, she is a surveyor. She is a surveyor. Woodworker, she is a woodworker. She is a woodworker. Impressive! You've explored so many professions today. Now, let's put your memory to the test. Can you guess which profession this is? Wow! We've explored so many exciting professions. Who knew learning could be this fun? Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments which profession you're in, or which one fascinates you the most. And hey, if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join us for more amazing discoveries. Your next favorite profession might be just one video away. See you soon.